Sorry, my video cut off on you. I guess I hit the wrong button when I walked up, but I was going to show you guys when we put this in, just on the shingle above already, how much granule loss we have here at the top. And when we tap, you know, just lightly tap, that's kind of what we got here. It's very brittle, as opposed to in this one at the top as well. They're all starting to lose granules at the top. You can see the black in there. Very easy to see. So just letting you know, we tried to put it back in, but at the same time, even if we did an accurate repair with the shingle, they don't make one this size. I was just kind of showing you that this roof has extreme granule loss. You can see it everywhere. There was hail damage on the roof, even though they didn't account for hail. There's plenty of hail on the roof, and I'm not arguing that, because I mean, it is what it is. But there is wind damage on this roof. Quite a few. There was a few up here as well. But you know, it's a 18-year-old roof that is brittle and discontinued because of the blistering and granule losses. Therefore, I think it's non-repairable. So there you go. Again, my name is Casey with Crown Roofing, and we are out here at Christian Lakes. Thank you guys.